afternoon, my beautiful girlies. It's Grace, and let's hop right in to this makeup get ready with me. So, to hop right in to today's topic of discussion, is cereal a soup? So, I'm not gonna lie, it really took me a minute to think about this question because that is a question that I've just honestly never thought of before. Like, is cereal a soup? That is just super duper interesting that someone would think about a point like that. I don't know, it's interesting to say the least. It really got me thinking for like a few minutes, like, is it a soup? Is it not a soup? I mean, technically, it's a, liquid form, it's in a bowl, you can like drink. I thought of so many thoughts with this question, but I'm just like, okay, let me actually think for a few minutes. Let's sit down and let's actually like write this stuff down because I have a lot of thoughts. Also, I have no idea if y'all can hear any noise in the background, but if y'all do, I'm sorry. Let's just ignore that. so sorry if you do hear any background noise. But yeah, let's just get into it. So to start off with my answer, do I think that cereal is a soup? And I would have to say no. Nope. No. Absolutely not. Cereal is not a soup. It is not a soup. Maybe someone can convince me it's a soup. I don't know. But to me, it's not a soup. And I have two reasons why it is, in fact, not a soup. So the first reason why I believe cereal is not a soup is because soups are brothy, or soups have a brothy, more liquidy kind of texture, if that makes sense. And I guess you could argue that, oh, but like cereals can also have that texture as well, but most soups have a very liquidy kind of texture. It's literal broth, And yes, there are so many different kinds of soup. You can have, soups with vegetables in it or, whatever. But most soups usually are in liquid form, majority of the time. They have that texture. And with cereals have, obviously cereals have more texture because there are actual, food in there. There's like actual like solid foods in cereals. So to me, honestly, I just don't think that, cereal would really fall in that category because who wants to eat just a bowl of liquid for breakfast? I don't know. I know it's not me because I don't even like cereal for breakfast, honestly. But I know I would still want to have something in my stomach, and just, eating a bowl of liquid is just not my definition of, having, breakfast. It's just not my definition of filling me up. But yeah, y'all, I would have to say that that would be the first reason why I do not consider cereal a soup. The second and last reason as to why I do not consider cereal a soup, and I've kind of talked about this a little bit in my last point, and it is because you can eat cereal for breakfast. In my personal opinion only, I know some people say you can eat breakfast any time of the day. Well, for me personally, I eat it, for breakfast, not soup. And also, cereals are usually cold and soups are hot, I don't know. I mean, I just feel more comfortable eating cereal for breakfast because it just, no duh, makes the most sense. And usually I am not a very big breakfast eater. I don't really eat a big breakfast usually. I am more of like a lunch and dinner kind of person. Those are like the big meals that I really, really like to eat the most, in my humble opinion. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, yeah, you can have cereal any time of the day, but to me that just doesn't make sense. I don't know. I'm someone who's like very meticulous on like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I don't know. I'm organizational in that type of matter. I don't even know if I use that word right, but moving on. But yeah, honestly, I just don't consider, you know, eating soup or anything for breakfast. I mean, soup for lunch or for dinner, okay. But for breakfast, come on now. To me, it just wouldn't work. It just would not work. But yeah, y'all, that is the second and the last reason that I can come up with at the top of my head of why I do not consider cereal as a soup. Wow, this was honestly a lot harder than I thought, thinking about more reasons of why I don't consider cereal as a soup. I don't know, y'all. Cereal's just not a soup, but but yeah, those are like my personal reasons of why I don't consider cereal as a soup. I don't know. It's just, I feel like this is just one of these questions where it's like it can make you go crazy just thinking about not only the question but the answers to it. But yeah, those are my thoughts. So literally, y'all, we didn't really do anything. We just put on lash serum, and I'm actually happy because I haven't put on lash serum in a minute and my lashes are struggling, kind of. I have like short lashes, so I would like them to flourish even a teeny bit longer. But yeah, guys, hope that you enjoyed this interesting discussion. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed. I hope that you will all have an amazing Monday and an amazing week, and I will see all of y'all's beautiful faces next time. Bye, guys.